or just all about how the sun moves through the earth. So
let's just say this.
So basically, a bunch of people in the early, thousands of years ago, they thought, this is the sun, and then this is the earth. The sun spins around. A lot of people thought that, and the earth would just stay still. The sun would revolve around the earth. Because when you look at it, the sun does look like the east. It's moving from east to west, but really it's just the earth spinning, and it's just the earth spinning around the sun, and every other planet spinning around the sun.
But actually, it rotates.
And it's like
this.
So a lot of people thought it because it just looks like it, but they didn't have proof. Now a lot of a bunch of people who work at NASA, they sent rockets, they filmed it to show people who still believed it proof. A bunch of people just did it, and then
it would first appear.
So that's how it would mainly go out. Because if you film a camera throughout the entire day, it'll look like it's east through west, but really it's
not the sun's movement.
It's just
the Earth's rotation.
It's just the Earth. And so another thing is that the sun travels through the arc. So
it all has to do the revolution around
the sun. The sun it
travels around the sun and rotation of the Earth. The rotation.
So every time it sets in the east, rises in the west. It doesn't go highest in the noon right above you, and then just sets in the west. Now,
the axis that changes the arc throughout
the
season, throughout the year.
Oh yeah. So it travels through. Now, if you live on the equator, or I think 23 degrees above or below it, it could be straight up
above your head.
But
if you're
if you're here, like around the North Pole or the South Pole, or just around, not directly at the South Pole, but so if you live in I don't know, anywhere in Europe, above Asia,
that's why it varies throughout the year.
Here in the
it also varies because
so in the United States, it would be more towards the south, and they take a slow
So let's say
arc.
you're in the United States,
and it'll always be the same on the equinoxes. I think it's
in the summer. The light is more facing the north.
It's the 21st on thing. So
because you live in
the sun, it'll. So every time the sun's arc, so this will be the winter solstice. It'll come up here, and it'll set the day after. Come up a little further, set, and it'll keep doing that. And then this is July 21st.
And then
the
winter is opposite.
It start further, and they get the highest point, but it's still not directly above you. It'd be at an angle. Actually, it'd be here. So it'd be over here at an angle. So you wouldn't get a direct hit as if it was as if you were on the equator. Anyway, that's my explanation of how the sun moves around, or the Earth moves around the sun, but it appears to.